Dang. All right, here's where we get stuck, right there. He's a little guy. It's all right. The bite. Just let him take it a lot longer.
Right there, where you're dropping at?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. They probably don't want mine. Probably too bulky for them.
Seems small.
Yeah.
Oops. All right. I want to go a little further, but your splash. He came back and hit it a second time. He hit it once, came back and hit it a second time, which is why I think it's so little.
Yeah.
Little guy. Fishing the boat. This little guys.
Didn't get skunked. All right, there's going to be bass in there because it looks like the other spot. That's close enough. If he's hungry, he'll eat that. The wind doesn't jack us away from it. Yep, got him. Yeah, I'll net him. Just in case.
Nice. Did you record it?
I did.
Very nice, very nice. And he said he was going to be in there. Off the camera. And I'll get the weight and I'll punch it in there and I'll save it with the weight.
Okay. $2.33. All right, first keep fish, $2.33. Going back. Nope. I woke up and I thought it was raining because the wind making the trees blow. It sounded like rain at first. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Just a little guy. He has been caught a couple times. Goodness. I don't think he might be a little short, but we'll measure him. That's a good one, all dotted up, colored. Jeremy with the net job.
Small though.
Bait fish. It's all right. Got to start with the small fish, find the big ones. All right. I'm really digging that this is out of the wind right now, too. I'm also digging the fact that when we get a little further in this corner, I'm going to take it. Oh, that's a good one. There we go.
I didn't even have to reel them in anymore. Oh, yeah. I'm on the board.
On the board. That's a good one. Nice work, dude. A little deeper on this edge. That dude tried to take off with it the second it hit the water. All right, quick release. Not a measure, but that was a fun bite right there. Woo!
The way you set the hook, I about dropped my pole to grab the net.
Oh, he took off with it the second it hit the water. That was a fun one. Little guy, but another fish. We'll take it. Sure don't want to fall in. Did you get a bite? What we got? On swim bait. Nice. Little bitty guy. But he got it good.